friends, are you ready for today's amazing story? The Parrot and the Peacock. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, birds of all kinds lived happily. Among them was a dazzling peacock. The peacock had the most beautiful feathers. He always felt something was missing. One day, the peacock saw a parrot flying joyfully. The parrot could talk, sing, and make everyone laugh. "I wish I could talk like the parrot," sighed the peacock. "Then everyone would love me too." The parrot flew down and said kindly, "But I admire you too. Your feathers are magical. We are both special in different ways." The peacock smiled. From that day, he danced proudly, while the parrot sang. They became the forest's favorite pair. Moral of the story: everyone is unique and special. Be happy with who you are, and respect the beauty in others. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share for more stories.